हेलो एंड वेलकम आइसोलेशन प्रीमियर लीग के इस एक्स्ट्रा स्पेशल एपिसोड में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज मेरे साथ हैं हमारे बड़े भाई, क्रिकेट के सेक्सीएस्ट वॉइस, द वॉइस ऑफ क्रिकेट, मिस्टर हर्षा भोगले। हेलो मिस्टर भोगले, हाउ आर यू?
बस एक बात पहले बताना, वो 3x क्यों डाले आपने शुरू में? उसके मतलब कई और हो जाते हैं।
ट्रिपल एक्स के आप विन डीजल हो। See, you spend a lot of time traveling, so you're obviously now at home for a long stretch. So, are you feeling a little restless? कि मन कर रहा है थोड़ा किसी प्लेन में कूदूं, किसी स्टेडियम में जाऊं?
अजीब बात है ना, जब वो करते थे, जब ऐसा लगता था आज मैं कहाँ हूँ, आज मैं कौन से चैनल पर हूँ, कौन से एयरपोर्ट में, कौन से होटल में हूँ, तो जब लगता था यार कहाँ फंस गया, घर में होता कितना अच्छा होता।
तो सर, आपने कुछ इस लॉकडाउन में कुछ बनाया? हैदराबादी बिरयानी या मिर्ची का सालन या कुछ?
हैदराबादी खाने जो बनते हैं ना, वो हैदराबादी रफ्तार पे बनते हैं। सुबह बनाना शुरू किया तो रात को खाया, शाम को बनाना शुरू किया तो सुबह खाया। इतना वक्त किसके पास है? जो खानदानी हैदराबादी लोग होते हैं, उनके शादियों में जो होती है वो सबसे अच्छी बिरयानी बनती है। अब ये भी कहीं सुनी बात है, क्योंकि उसमें मटन बिरयानी होती है। मैं क्या जानता,
वो भी सही बात है, आप वेजिटेरियन हैं। एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज नो बिगर क्रिकेट रोमांटिक देन यू. So the questions we have for you are the 6 of the power play are about Hyderabad cricket, worth 6 runs each.
अच्छा चलिए,
आपका पहला जो सवाल है ये एक पिक्चर क्वेश्चन है. So this is the newspaper clipping from 1982 announcing the Osmania University squad for the University Championship in Delhi. इसमें दो नाम मैंने ब्लर किए.
अच्छा,
आप मुझे दोनों में से एक भी बता दीजिए.
अच्छा, एक तो क्लियरली याद है।
मेरे को शक ये हो रहा है कि आपको दोनों पता है.
अजहरुद्दीन,
यस,
और होंगे अरशद अयूब।
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल.
अरशद अयूब और अजहरुद्दीन। एक बार अरशद अयूब को मैंने रन आउट किया था, दूसरी टीम के साथ बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया था,
और फिर वो आपके कप्तान बने. उसके बाद
वो 2-3 साल कप्तान थे मेरे। काफी पार्टनरशिप्स हुए हमारे। तो मैं नॉन स्ट्राइकर एंड होता था, ज्यादातर सिंगल लेके उनकी बैटिंग देखता था।
अरे वाह. तो ये 6 रन से आपकी शुरुआत. आपका दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये आपको थोड़ा हिस्ट्री में लेके जाएगा. ठीक है, आपने पहला मैच जो देखा था आपको याद है?
इंडिया वर्सेस न्यूजीलैंड.
बढ़िया. तो मैं पूछना चाह रहा था आपसे कि हु टुक द न्यू बॉल फॉर इंडिया इन दैट मैच?
वो हमारे अमित चचा थे उसमें.
अमित चचा. अच्छा, दूसरी तरफ से भी आपके हैदराबाद के ही थे?
जी हाँ, स्टाइलिश. He used to bowl those big outswingers and then the big in-swingers, but he was like a very good man. ML Jaisim, I think.
देखिए ये ना, this is the beauty that you may not remember a match from 3 weeks ago, but you'll always remember the first match that you ever saw.
First test match I ever saw. And you know, there was a West Indies team that came in 1966 to Hyderabad. And my father's, I'm 5 years old. And who sends a 5-year-old kid to a packed stadium to watch a game? He said, if you can tell me the entire 1966 West Indies team, I'll let you go. 5 साल का था मैं.
Yeah.
तो अब मुझे, I remember almost everybody from that 66 team, and as a result, I thought I'll have to answer the 69 team as well to be able to go. So I remember that 69 New Zealand team as well.
मतलब सिलेबस से क्वेश्चन आए, आउट ऑफ सिलेबस से क्वेश्चन आए, पढ़ाई आपने पूरी कर रखी थी. Question number 3 is which Pakistan captain played for Hyderabad in the Ranji Trophy?
भाई मेरी उनकी अच्छा खासा रिश्ता था मेरा. आसिफ इकबाल.
बिल्कुल करेक्ट. 6 runs again. Now is question number 4. Till now 3 sixes of 3 balls. Very good, very good. Who was the captain of Hyderabad the last time they won the Ranji Trophy?
Last time they won the Ranji Trophy was ages ago, right? 86, 87. I don't think they won after that. 86, 87 was Bobby Narasimha Rao, MV Narasimha Rao, Bobby.
That's absolutely right. Madhi Reddy Venkat Bobji Narasimha Rao.
Bobji, correct.
Excellent. So that's 4 out of 4. Question 5 is which Indian captain played for Hyderabad under ML Jaisim?
I think he had a fight with Delhi and so came across to Hyderabad to play. I think we're talking Tiger Pataudi.
That is right.
Tiger Pataudi. He had a fight with Delhi District Cricket Association, it was called then, and he said, I'll play where my friends are. So he played with Jaisim and Abbas Ali Beg, and it was a great Hyderabad side. May not have won a lot, but it was great on style.
Question number 6 is a picture question. Okay. This is amazing. This is you in the picture. Top right, I can see you. That's Harsha there with the glasses. The boy sitting in the circle that we've done will forever be in the history books of your state. Why? It's not for cricket.
Okay. Kiran Kumar Reddy, a wicketkeeper,
Who later went on to
become Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, the last Congress Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh.
Excellent.
And I'll tell you something interesting. One day I got a call from a friend of mine called Raghuram Reddy. And he said, मैं किरण बात करना चाह रहा तुम्हारे से. So I said, अरे बहुत दिनों के बाद बात कर रहा हूँ यार. So I hadn't met him for a while. So I said, किधर है? He said, मैं IPL मैच देखने आया. I said, चीफ मिनिस्टर को टाइम मिलता? He said, कभी तो भाग के क्रिकेट मैच देखने आता हूँ.
36 out of 36. That was an excellent power play, Mr. Harsha Bhogle. We're now going to your middle overs. These are 4 runs each. Now, these are all gems of your commentary, right? These are all lines that you have said about incidents or about people that have just stuck with all of us. And now let's see if they have stuck in your memory or not.
शायद.
तो आईपीएल की गेम थी, ईशांत शर्मा बॉल डाल रहे थे और बैट्समैन ने एक शॉट मारा जिसके ऊपर आपने कमेंट किया, ओपन द टेक्स्ट बुक, टर्न टू पेज 32.
याद है, क्योंकि स्ट्रेट ड्राइव इतनी बढ़िया एक ही आदमी मार सकता है. उसका फेवरेट शॉट था बैकफुट पंच, and the straight drive was Tendulkar in that great year. It might have been the 2010 year. I don't know exactly which year, but it might have been that year where he top scored in the IPL.
बिल्कुल करेक्ट. अगर तेंदुलकर की स्ट्रेट ड्राइव was a song, you would listen to it all day. If it was a book, you would read it all day.
Yes. I mean, it was special, and we were blessed to be able to grow with Tendulkar. Yeah.
So that is the reason why one of the most immortal moments in cricket was voiced by you. इसीलिए सचिन तेंदुलकर की विदाई आपकी आवाज में हुई थी.
Thankfully, the producer said, do you want to sit in there? I was supposed to do the presentation, by the way. But I sat there, and as a result, I was able to do that last walk around. And it benefited me because I'd known him since he was 14.
Yeah. And I'm so happy that was the decision taken that day, because you've immortalized that already immortal moment. So here is your question number 8. Which commentator said this line? What do I think of the reverse sweep? It's like Manchester United getting a penalty and Brian Robson taking it with his head. Your options are David Gower, David Lloyd, Christopher Martin Jenkins, or Henry Blofeld.
Look, Christopher Martin Jenkins was way too correct. Henry Blofeld would have been looking for someone in the stands. David Gower was very correct. He was very Times. He announced his engagement in the Times. So I'm going Bumble. David Lloyd.
It is Bumble, David Lloyd, yes. Stop the car. So it is right. Question 9. ये आपने किसी cricketer के बारे में कहा था in his defense. This is the line you said. I find this criticism of X very strange. It's like a family of 10 complaining that the sole breadwinner is not doing enough.
Yeah, I remember that line where, because in those days, I used to call Misbah their permanent 10 for 3 man. So it was Misbah ul Haq. And I found that the Pakistani cricket establishment is complaining about Misbah. वो अकेले तो रन बना रहा था और कोई रन ही नहीं बना रहे थे. वो अकेले रन बना रहा है, उसी पे गालियां पड़ रही हैं. So the answer was Misbah ul Haq.
That is right. Acha, question number 10. Which co-commentator of yours gave you the nickname Guru?
Guru. The answer is Navjot Sidhu. I first heard it at the end of a telephone line. We were very good friends because Sidhu was vegetarian. And we would go around together searching for vegetarian food. And say, Guru, ye khana khao, wo khana khao, and whatever. And then it just became a standard line until I discovered he used it with other people as well. One day he called me to his room and said, abhi aaye. And he had 3 suits put up. जो curtain rod होता है ना bathroom में. He said, come मुझे screen जला देनी है. ये कौन सा पेन है? I said, शरीक तीनों तो एक ही रंग के हैं. सीधे रंग नहीं, एक steel grey है, एक mist grey है, एक charcoal black है. It was very, very good fun.
He loved the bright colors, and I like wearing pink. So if I would wear a pink shirt and a pink tie, once I wore it with like I think a charcoal grey suit. And he goes, yes, आज ना तू पिंकची पू लग रहा है, पिंकची पू. It is the first time in the history of the planet that a grown man has said the words pinkety poo. And with that, Mr. Bhogle, you have completed your half century. Please raise your bat. Well done, well done. I'm going to have a show of Sidhuisms really soon. But right now, we're going to question 11. It is about number 11s. Your question is, who in your past opinion would have been the number 11 in a team made up of all the number 11s in the world?
If you watched him bat, there's a reason I told that story. If you watched Hirwani bat, then you would have no doubt at all, because there was a test match in England, 1990. India needs 24 runs to avoid the follow-on. Kapil Dev is batting with Hirwani. He blocks the first two. And then he hits 6. Right? 6 to avoid the follow-on. He hits a fourth 6. Now the scores are level. You just avoided the follow-on. And Hirwani gets out first ball next to him.
It is Narendra Hirwani. That is the correct answer. Your question number 12. About who did you say this? The kind of form that he is in, he picked this ball yesterday afternoon.
विराट कोहली.
श्योरिटी से नहीं बोल रहे आप, थोड़ा डाउट के साथ बोल रहे हो, डाउट.
क्योंकि मैंने ना कभी-कभी लाइन जब अच्छी लगती है ना, 2-3 लोगों के साथ शायद इस्तेमाल कर देते हैं. But I think I might have said it about Virat Kohli when he was playing a shot through the onside.
You're right. He hit a 6 of Andrew Tye in a T20 international, and you said this line about Virat Kohli.
You know, there's something when Virat is batting like that, it's almost as if he's telling the bowler where to bowl. And that's the mark of a great batsman. So I remember Brian Lara telling me the story once. He said, how did you play Murali so well? Because he said, I knew where he was going to bowl. I said, how do you know where he's going to bowl? He said, because I was making him bowl there.
Wow.
So, but Virat, when he's in form, gives you the impression that he's deciding where the ball should come.
So great. That is also right. You got 12 out of 12 so far. I want to just inform people at this point in time, this is the same person who I got on the phone with yesterday who was panicking, saying, I'm very bad at quizzes. I don't remember anything. यार देखो नाक तो नहीं कट जाएगी ना.
That was a trick to make you ask simple questions.
So you basically made me bowl where you wanted me to bowl.
नहीं, आने वाले मुश्किल और पता है मुझे.
नहीं सर, और भी आसान आ रहे हैं अब तो. So who according to you would have needed sunscreen for his tongue if he was playing a 4 p.m. game in the IPL?
I know who this is because he always stuck his tongue out, and I worked a lot with him afterwards. He's a bit of a he's
a screwball.
Whatever. He's in a nice kind of. I think I'm talking Brad Hogg.
Brad Hogg is the correct answer. That's 13 out of 13. Even 13 was not unlucky for you. Question 14. What is the pin code of Hyderabad Public School, Begumpet?
Boy, 50000 मेरे घर का था. 16 500016.
16 है आपका आंसर.
हाँ.
मुझे लगा था कि शायद ये वाला गलत हो जाए, ये वाला भी सही है.
16 पता नहीं क्यों याद है. 16 है
सर. ये है एक पिक्चर क्वेश्चन 4 रन के लिए.
ओके.
आपको बस इतना बताना है कि ये श्रीमान महोदय कौन है. This is a name that a lot of cricket fans know because of the podcast 22 Yans that you were a guest on and you told us stories about him. But is this him or not?
Is that Bobby Tadyar Khan? Guess कर रहा हूँ मैं. अगर 50 लाख का होता तो phone a friend करता.
To confirm it, I'll show you a picture of his later years.
Take it from me. Yes, it is. So that was a guess. Phone a friend से बच गया मैं.
बिल्कुल बच गए आप. It is right. It's somebody who is a personal hero for you. Please tell people why.
Because, when I was growing up, my father used to tell me stories about Bobby Tadyar Khan. And he used to do commentary all by himself. Rumor has it that a bottle of whiskey would be open in the morning. And it would sort of just go down his throat from time to time to lubricate his throat. And when All India Radio said, we're going to have a commentary panel, he said, panel? Me? Share? No. He said, I do commentary all by myself. 5 days of a game all by himself from morning to evening. Can you imagine?
Wow. So your question 16 is also a picture question. It is also a legendary picture, much like the previous one.
Please note that's a Grey Nichols. The only time in my life I've held a Grey Nichols bat. Okay, so what's the question?
Where did this game happen?
Where did it happen?
Where
did it happen? It might have been on a small.
Is this the first question that we foxed you with?
Might have been on a small private ground somewhere in Cape Town.
यार हम तो फूल ही नहीं कर सकते, फॉक्स ही नहीं कर सकते. पीछे से कोई हेल्प तो नहीं कर रहा आपकी.
मेरे बैटिंग की 2 ही तस्वीरें हैं. एक ये है और एक दूसरी जहां मैं कवर ड्राइव खेल रहा हूं लेकिन टांगे कहीं और है.
And at the end of the middle overs, with only the death overs left, Mr. Harsha Bhogle, you're 76 not out. Talia. Okay, आपका अगला सवाल. ये हैं डेथ ओवर्स 4 सवाल हैं और 6 runs each. तो ये आपका पहला सवाल. You were the first Indian to have been invited to do radio commentary on ABC Grandstand. Who was the man of the match in the first test that you worked on for them?
यार, man of the match first test तो थी Brisbane 91-92. Kapil Dev reached 400 wickets.
Information download हो रही है.
Aussie होगा क्योंकि Australia had won. ऐसे कुछ होगा. Boone Marsh, Hughes, McDermott.
पूरी टीम ही बता दो उनकी.
Boone Marsh, Mark Taylor, Peter Taylor, Jones, Marder, Vaughan ने नहीं बनाए थे रन. Healy, McDermott, Hughes, Taylor.
The right answer is somewhere in there in all the names you took.
नहीं याद.
मेरी 30 साल पुरानी बात आपको कैसे याद हो सकती है?
Man of the match. ये तुमने चेंज कर दिया मुश्किल करने के लिए मेरे लिए.
मैं देखो, I can't do this क्योंकि आपने एक्चुअली जवाब दे दिया. You said McDermott.
हाँ.
I have to give it to you. It is Craig McDermott.
It is Craig McDermott.
It is Craig.
लेकिन तुक्का था.
अच्छा किया आपने. देखिए, गेस भी आपका बढ़िया लैंड कर गया. तो मुझे लग रहा है you will be the first player on Isolation Premier League to get to 100. हो जाएगा. आपका अगला सवाल. Shortly after that stint at ABC Grandstand, you were called cricket's sexiest voice. Which writer gave you that label?
I remember her name was Susan Kurosawa.
You're absolutely right. It is Susan Kurosawa, who's an author, award-winning travel columnist, associate editor of The Australian. By God की कसम, मतलब देखो जरा आपने क्या कर दिया. ये सबसे मुश्किल सवाल भी आपको याद है. तो अब this is super easy. You will love this. Describe the incident that you were doing commentary for when you said this. We've had a fascinating game of cricket, but this is the best sight you will see anywhere in the world. If you ever wanted to see a victory for sport, here it is on your screens in your living rooms.
I think it might have been Chennai. Might have been India-Pakistan, Chennai 99, when the crowd in Chennai gave a standing ovation to the Pakistan.
Yes, it is.
I couldn't believe my eyes that they were going on a victory lap in India. And all of them standing and applauding. That only happened in Chennai.
That's why they say that about the Chennai crowd, right?
Sometimes they say it themselves, but yeah, it's largely true.
We have one question left. If you get this right, you get to a century. The only player ever in the history of Isolation Premier League to get to 100.
बोलो.
ये आपका सवाल. Who was the only Indian before you to have been invited as a guest commentator on BBC's Test Match Special?
ये तुक्का है ये थोड़ा. Because आते जाते थे पहले, but I think there's only one. Pearson Surita. Couldn't have been. Was it Pearson Surita?
Pearson Surita is your answer.
हाँ, लॉक किया जाए.
I just want to tell you that if you get this right, you go to 100.
Okay.
If you get this wrong, you get a free. You can still get to 98, which will still take you on top of the charts.
Okay.
The correct answer is suspense. Suspense music play karo. Suspense music. Suspense music. Harsha Bhogle has said Pearson Surita. The correct answer is the Maharaja of Baroda, Fateh Singh Rao. वैसे ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि सारा सस्पेंस हमने बिल्ड कर दिया और आपने हमारे क्वेश्चन को फैक्ट चेक कर दिया. सर 94 पे आपने खत्म किया है, राइट? यू फिनिश्ड ऑन 94. फाइनली आप जाके फिसले, तो आखिरी पड़ाव पे जाके फिसले.
मैं फैक्ट चेक जरूर करूंगा इस पे, जरूर करूंगा.
मेरे क्लास में भी वो बंदे होते थे जिनके 96-97% आते थे, फिर भी पेपर भेजते थे रीवैल्यूएशन के लिए. तो यू स्टिल हैव अ चांस, क्योंकि आपका फ्री हिट का सवाल है. इस फ्री हिट में आपको 4 रन मिल सकते हैं, और अगर आपको ये 4 रन मिले तो आप टॉप ऑफ द चार्ट्स हो जाएंगे.
अच्छा, चलो बोलो क्या है तुम्हारा ये. अब मैं टेंशन में हूं.
तो आपने, तो ये एक्सचेंज किसके साथ हुआ था? तो आपने बोला था इनको आज तो मंडे है. उन्होंने वापस आपको बोला मंडे को खेलना मना है क्या?
जैकी श्रॉफ. और ये हुआ था ओबरॉय होटल के बाद वो मरीन ड्राइव के कॉर्नर पे शूट हुआ था मेरे ख्याल से।
थोड़ी लाइफ थोड़ा मैजिक।
तो मैंने 3 पिक्चरें की हैं, तीनों पिक्चरें मिलकर एक दिन नहीं चली।
सर आप मुझे कह रहे हो, मैंने 11 करी है।
लेकिन आप भी ज्यादा चली होगी।
सर 6 के बाद तो मेरे घर वालों ने भी देखनी बंद कर दी थी। ये फ्री हिट का करेक्ट आंसर देने के बाद आपका स्कोर हो गया है 98। वेल डन, द हाईएस्ट इन आइसोलेशन प्रीमियर लीग सो फार। वाओ सर, तो जाने से पहले कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? एनी मैसेज यूड लाइक टू गिव देम इन दीस टफ टाइम्स?
नहीं, बस देखते रहिए यार, क्योंकि there's such few things that bring joy in these times, and I've always felt, for all that a lot of people say around it and the serials they make around it, that sport is largely pure.
What do you think about live sport coming back? What's your opinion on that? When it perhaps could, and how it would, in the new order, so to speak?
The earlier it comes back, the better. I've been hearing a lot of talk about playing in empty stadiums. You'll find there'll be a huge difference, but it's much better playing cricket in an empty stadium than not playing cricket at all. So it'll be a very interesting challenge, but I hope it happens. But these are strange times.
No, hopefully out of this entire negative spell, if something positive can come out, that'll be really good as well. Well, what positivity has come out today is that you have beaten Zahir Khan. तो आपने ज़हीर खान को बीट किया. You're on top of the list, sir. Thank you so much for taking out time. I know we had some technical issues today, so we have gone beyond the time that you had given us, but thank you so much for that.
Thank you.
And I hope I get to see you soon.
And I hope both of us get haircuts.
नहीं सर, अब मैं तो I'm making mine a next. अब ये घोंसला बनेगा. दिखाऊं? खोलूं?
You have no idea कि आपको ये ऑप्शन है. सबके पास ये ऑप्शन नहीं होता.
On that note, I'm going to be ending this episode of Isolation Premier League. आप भी अपनी मुंडी घुमाइए और निकलिए यहाँ से. अगले एपिसोड में आइएगा of Isolation Premier League. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. बैठ जाओ दोस्तों, बैठ जाओ.